Hi, my name is Bill Williams, and I would like to thank you for your interest in the Profitunity Trading Group. We're here today to tell you more about what we do and who we are. First of all, let me tell you what I know about you. The first thing I know about you is that you're in the top 10% intelligence-wise of the entire country. The second thing I know about you is that you've been successful at some endeavor before. You've had previous success. The third thing is that you have accumulated some money, some wealth with which to trade. And that brings you to being interested in trading. In 1959, I started my trading career. I traded part-time until 1982, and in 1982, my wife Ellen and I formed the Profitunity Trading Group. Since that time, we've been trading full-time. In 1985, we started doing private tutorials. People would come to us and they would ask us if we would teach them how to trade profitably. We started doing that, and by 1989 we'd done workshops in 16 foreign countries and dozens of workshops in the United States. In 1995, John Wiley & Son asked us to write a book about our trading methodology. It was entitled Trading Chaos. Then, in 1998, after further research and simplifying our trading approach, we wrote a second book entitled New Trading Dimensions. Our current book is Trading Chaos Second Edition. It was written with my daughter Justine, who trades with us and teaches our trading methodology. This book is the current book with the methods that we have simplified over 5 decades of research. And now I would like to introduce you to Justine.
Hi, I'm Justine Williams, and I want to thank you for taking the time to learn about the Profitunity approach to the markets and how we trade. You just spent a few minutes getting to know my father, who mentioned that he knew a few things about you. I want to add one more thing that I know about you, and that is, if what you've been using so far in your trading practices were working to produce the results that you know were possible, then you would not be watching this video right now. With that in mind, I want to tell you a little bit more about what we do here at Profitunity. I can remember when my father first started teaching about psychology in the markets and addressing the fact that the markets were 80% psychological, if not more. Well, all of the other traders thought he was crazy back then. At that time, there were only 2 ways to view or analyze markets, and that was by fundamental or technical analysis. Today, when you look at the titles of trading books and many of the articles in major trading magazines, you'll find them writing about the psychology of the traders in the markets and how to handle their emotions when a trade goes south. So we have been the leading teachers and traders in this field for decades. One of the things that we have learned in the past few decades is that the markets are always changing. This is why the black box systems don't work over a long period of time. In our home study course, we address all of the issues of trading, especially how you handle the emotional roller coaster that tends to happen to traders. It does not matter if you are an intraday trader, a stock trader, a commodity trader, even a forex trader, or an investor. Our methods work in all markets and all time frames. We work with each student on an individual basis, based on his or her needs. Support is ongoing, there is no time limit, and we still answer questions from clients that attended our courses over 10 years ago. Along with a very detailed and organized 8-week course with DVDs and full color chart workbooks, you will also receive our custom indicator package for eSignal, TradeStation, and Metastock, depending on which one you use, and CQG also has our indicators available for their trading platform. Let's take a few moments to hear what Profitunity students have to say about us. I'm writing to report my results after my second month of trading. My account started with $90,000. The account value at market on last trading day of July is $123K. Many thanks to you both. Max N.
I am very impressed with the changes you have made in your home study course. You have raised the bar on every aspect of the program. You have clarified and amplified the signals so that they are more easily recognized and applied. The whole program is a paradigm shift from your last effort. Please give yourselves a big hug and pat on the back from me. Job well done. J. Staples.
The people at Profitunity provided me the tools and support needed to discard preconceived notions and advance to higher levels of trading. This program is not a magic wand and requires work and focus. Ultimately, that focus allows traders to understand what the market wants, act accordingly, and make profitable trades. Despite some rocky patches getting started the first 6 months, my account has grown by 425% over the last 12 months. D. Atkin. Here at Profitunity, we begin our days by checking the markets, placing any new trades, which usually only takes a few minutes. Then we start answering our emails and faxes from clients all over the world. We are available to our clients who are in the markets or considering entering the markets. At the end of each day, we review our trades again, we place our orders and our stops for the next day's open. The second step you may choose to take with us is our private tutorial in our office in California. This is a 2-day class with 7 to 8 other students with various trading backgrounds. This is an intense 2 days of perfecting your charting analysis as well as enlightening psychological exercises. During these 2 days, we are able to look at charts together. We get to know you, know your trading style, your belief systems. This is assisting us in getting to know you better, to see how you trade best. Even though all our students have the same information, they all trade differently. So the tutorial is not mandatory, but I'd like to think of it as the icing on the cake after the home study course.
After attending the tutorial last October and starting out with about 24,000, I have done very well. Earlier this week, I closed out a wheat contract that has put me over the 100,000 mark in cash in my account. So in less than 8 months, I have made over 300% return on my money. It was certainly unbelievable at the time, and I would never have guessed I would do this well in such a short period of time. D. Todd.
The superb 2 days of tutorials and your wonderful hospitality was well worth the expense and travel time. I thought the tutorial days were of excellent quality and were beyond my expectations. You really are a good teacher. I felt very satisfied. NG. Our tutorial students enjoy analyzing charts in both the stock and commodity markets and are able to place their trades with Profitunity's guidance by their side. This experience gives Profitunity students further practice with the L8 wave and entry and exit signals in real-time intraday and end-of-day markets. The psychological facilitation gives our students the extra edge you need to trade in today's market successfully. One of the most important things I can mention to you is that what trading can do for you and what it has done for my family. Trading can provide freedom, freedom from the everyday 9-to-5 job, freedom to be home with your family, freedom to make your schedule fit your lifestyle, freedom to go on vacation and still make money if you choose to. With trading, all you need is a computer, a telephone, an account, and your data. That's it. You can trade from anywhere in the world. Now we can even trade out by the pool with a laptop or directly from our mobile devices while doing our daily activities. Let's be honest, we're living in very interesting economical and political times right now. Prices for everything we use in our day-to-day lives are going up and look like they're going to continue to go up. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to compensate for that without working harder? Whether you want to increase your income or have trading be your sole source of income, the markets can provide that for you. How does choosing your own hours and never leaving the house sound? Once you're trading at a proficient level, you can simply add to the number of shares or contracts and maximize your profits. We don't have to work overtime or any harder to make more money. There is no limit on the amount of money that we can make once we learn how in the markets. Time is our most precious commodity that we can never get back. I know that freedom has a different meaning to everyone, but I also know that trading can provide the lifestyle for you regardless of what it is to allow you to have that time. I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to this and get to know us a little better. I know this can be one of the most important decisions of your life and your financial future. I also know that it's vital for you to have a strong trading platform to be successful in today's markets. We've trained over 3,000 students with an excellent success rate using our professional and personal experiences in both stocks and commodity markets. Combined, my father and I have over 60 years of trading experience in these markets, and we've been teaching for over 20. If I can help you in any way, please do not hesitate to call our office, contact us by email, phone, or fax, whatever's most convenient for you. Now is the time for you to take control of your financial future. No one else will take care of your money better than you will. I want to wish you good trading, and may all that you wish for be the least that you receive.